All right, we wanted to make a quick video to talk to you a little bit about the resourcing and where to find resources for WordPress. The number one is definitely the WordPress.org Codex. This is basically just a reference of all the possible things you can do in WordPress. There's a WordPress code reference right here on the WordPress Codex. And then it's just kind of a great overview and great to go through and begin to understand any different function or possible thing you can do within WordPress. It's also the go-to resource anytime we want to add something. If we go Google the loop in WordPress, which we do this plenty of times in the course. The first place we're going to look is codex.wordpress.org. That's the ideal place to look.
And not only that, you can actually, there's going to be a search function inside of there where you can go to the WordPress Codex and then just type whatever you're looking for and it's going to pull it up. So we have a habit of just Google searching the exact question we have and then going to the WordPress Codex for the answer. So
yeah, and the other place is the WordPress.com forums are fantastic, and a lot of times those will direct people back to the Codex to the appropriate location. So if you can't figure out the terminology, that's what we recommend to do. The other thing I wanted to recommend specifically is there's a theme shaper or a course for learn how to make a WordPress theme. It doesn't include all of the custom things that we have, but the great thing about it is the way that they help you understand the template, the WordPress template hierarchy, the page hierarchy. That's a really important concept, especially when you start working with complex themes like the WordPress 2013 or 2014 theme. And they have a lot of pages in there, and you need to know what all those are. So this course right here, the Theme Shaper WordPress Theme Tutorial, is fantastic for teaching that. It's a free course. It's online, and we'll leave a link to this. They also make a theme called the S Starter theme. The company who makes it was Automattic, which is from the founders of WordPress. So they're following the basic template, the basic structure exactly of that the WordPress Codex requires. But they offer a starter theme as well that's really cool to work with, so you know the kind of template files that you need to have, and just for best practices if you're ever looking for a starter theme, that's the one that I recommend. So if you still have any questions about the template hierarchy, go through this course. It's really only a few pages, but it's very, very helpful. Any other recommendations or things that we use as resources all the time?
I think that's about all I can think of at the moment. If you have questions, though, or if we used something that we said we were going to link and we didn't, ask us for it, because we went over a whole lot of stuff. Ask us in the comments. We'll get you whatever other resources, that we have in terms of all this stuff. So
absolutely.